Hello, welcome back to Luke's Sewing Center, 12 Days of Stocking Stuffers. Today we're going to make a popcorn bag, another nice little girlfriend gift. So to do that, you'll take 2 pieces of 100% cotton, 12 by 22. You're going to put those right sides together and sew them together with a 1/4 inch seam all the way around, leaving an opening 3 inches long. Inside it out, clip your corners, and then we're going to have our popcorn bag like this. So the next step is we are going to take this and we're going to top stitch around with just a 1/4 inch seam. All right, so we're set up to do a top stitch around the popcorn bag. So we're going to run this around, and remember that this is going to sew that opening closed. When I insided this out, when we do this top stitch around here, it's going to catch that opening and seal it up. All right, we're all top stitch. I'm going to take this top edge, I'm going to fold it down 2 inches. Let me get a quick measurement here. Okay, and I'm going to clip it in place with my little clippies. 2 inches on the other side. All right, so we've got that clipped. And then I'm going to take the far side and I'm going to bring it up to the top, all the way up here. And I am going to clip that together. At that point, I'm going to go back to the bottom and I'm going to do the sides, not the top. I'm going to do the sides and sew them up with a 1/4 inch seam. Forward, backwards. Now we're going through some layers here, so you're going to hear some noise, of course. All right, that's one side. And now I'm going to do the other side. I'm hitting all those layers there. Let's go to the end, lock in my seams. Okay, now, next step. I'm going to go on the inside of my bag and I'm going to box these corners. These corners are going to be boxed 1.5 inches. So I'm going to take that point, square that off, measure it down 1.5 inches. All right, so I'm going to go down 1.5 inches and I'm going to mark that with a pen. All right, so 1.5 inches, and just to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to draw a cross set. So that seam lines up here, go across, sew across that box corner. Now, I am going to put my needle back in the center. All right, that's one. Go back, get my other seam, square that up. Cut that off. Make it a right triangle. Measure down 1.5 inches. and sew that up. Hit my scissors. All right, now at that point, we're gonna inside our popcorn bag out. We boxed the corners, so I'm gonna push those out here and on the other side, and flip my lid closed, push out the corners, and we've got our popcorn bag. Okay, now to use this, you're gonna put a half a cup of unpopped popcorn kernels. No oil, no seasoning, nothing. Just the half a cup of kernels in the bag, put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, and this is gonna fill up with delicious popcorn. Open up your bag, and you can eat right out of the bag, okay? So this would be a great girlfriend gift with some popcorn and maybe some popcorn salt. So till next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.